Hi, Stampin' friends. This is Dee Osburn. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to look at the November Paper Pumpkin Kit. I'm a little late coming to you with this. I have been doing Thanksgiving and Christmas and have been just a busy little elf, but I did want to show it to you. So today we're going to open it up and take a look at it. So when you get the kit with all the things in it that you need to make all of these things. You get the instructions. You get a ink. You get sometimes you get more than one, but you get whatever ink, a Stampin' Spot, whatever ink you need to complete the project according to the instructions. And you get the stamps that you need. So it's a great value if you don't have Paper Pumpkin. You can subscribe. I'll leave a link below to show you how to do that. You can go into my website, my Stampin' Up! Website, the link that's on the video, and you can sign up there. When you get your very first Paper Pumpkin, they will send you a block to put all of these on. So it's such a great value. You get so much for your money. So let's open this up and see what's here. So many goodies, and they give you way plenty to be able to complete all of the things that are in the kit. Yeah, you usually have leftovers of things. So it looks like you've got some dimensionals and some little paper clips and some twine. Looks like you have some of this tape. This is tear-in tape. And I love this tear-in tape. I have a lot of it. I use it for all kinds of stuff. This is a great tape. So got a lot of that. Looks like we'll be making some boxes. Look at the pretty giant trees. These would make great ornaments for your tree, wouldn't they? Absolutely. Oh, and on the other side, oh, aren't they cute? I love them. We have some presents. I love the Flirty Flamingo. That's one of my favorite colors that we have. And on the other side, okay, so we have those. We have these really super cute giant snowmen. And they are polka dotted on the other side. That is so cute. We're going to find out what this is about when we look at the instructions. We're not going to put them together today. We're just looking at the kit. We will look at the instructions and kind of go through what they're asking us to do. But I'm not going to actually make them today. It looks like there's some more boxes here. There's some bags, some little goodie bags. Looks like there's some more of those down under here. So you get lots of little goodie bags. Those are so cute with the little snowflakes on them. I'm guessing that this is your paper to stamp stuff on, and you just pop it out. We've got some circles. We've got some tag shapes and some strips. Oh, so many wonderful things. Let's look at our instructions. So here it shows you all the kit components. Okay, and it says you can make kit contains supplies to make 9 treat boxes. Isn't that cool? 9 treat boxes. And look, you can do more with it if you want to make like a banner like that. Oh, so many cute things. All right, let's see what the instructions tell us. So when you get your paper pumpkin, it has pretty detailed instructions. And they're usually, sometimes it has written instructions, and sometimes it's just pictures like this. So you take this piece, all right, which looks like it's this piece right here. Okay. And it shows you how to fold it up to make the cute little box. And then you glue one piece of the tree. Oh, that's what that is on the back. There you go. See, it's lined up for you where, to put the box. So it shows you exactly where, once this piece is folded, where the box should go. And looks like you're going to put a tree on either side, and then you can fill it with little goodies, little Hershey's Kisses, or some little Kit Kats. I love Kit Kats. Or one of my favorite is Rolos, little Rolo. I don't know. If it's chocolate, I pretty much like it. So fill it with anything like that, and people will love it. Okay. Then you're going to take one of the strip pieces, and you're going to stamp it with the Merry Christmas. And like I said, you get all the stamps that you need. And if this is your first order, again, you'll get a block. If it's not your first order, they're not going to send you another block. You just use the same block that you got, or if you have other blocks, you use it. So you will stamp the strip, and then you'll get one of the little tag pieces and stamp the to from. So there's your to from, there's your Merry Christmas, and you'll attach that to the tree. Isn't that cute? Oh, and then it suggests that you take the little goodie bags instead of just filling the box, with pre-wrapped kind of candies. That you take it and you put it in one of these little gift bags. This is so cute, so well thought out. Take one of these little bags, you fill it with your Kit Kats or your Kisses or your Rolos or Reese's or the list goes on and on. And you fill it, and then you tie it. That's what, you have this twine, right? You tie it off and make a little bow and attach your to from tag, and you have the cutest little gift to give to someone. And you can pre-make these up and keep them at your house. If you know who you want to give them to, then go ahead and fill out the to from on there. Or you can keep them for, that person that comes by that brings you a plate of goodies, a plate of cookies or whatever, and you're like, oh, here, I have something for you. And then you always have that extra little something to give. Again, we're going to take the other box, or some more of the boxes, and we're going to fold them up. The snowmen tell you exactly where you're supposed to glue the box. You glue one to the front, one to the back. Again, on the circle this time, you can stamp "Oh, what fun!" Or if you have your own stamps, you can put whatever on there that you want, whatever fits. And then you've got your to from. You do the same thing. Fill up the bag with some candy, put it in there, and put your "Oh, what fun!" or "Let it snow," or there's no "Let it snow" in this set. But if you have something that says "Let it snow," absolutely, there you go. You can put whatever you want on there, right? This treat box is presents. Same thing. All right. This one uses the Happy Holidays. The to from, you glue one to the front, one to the back, fill it up with candy, put your little Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. It shows Happy Holidays here, shows Merry Christmas here. You get to do whatever you want. It's your gift to someone, so you can stamp whatever you want. And then put your to from on there, and you have a nice little gift for someone that maybe you work with, or someone who comes to visit you and you just want to give them a little something. Maybe the mail carrier, or I guess we don't really have milk people who deliver milk to our house anymore, but if you live out in the country, some places have that, and maybe that would be a good person to give it to. How about the UPS guy, right? He's at my house all the time delivering my Stampin' Up. So that might be, I might just have to give him one of those. The list goes on and on. You have 9 of these. You could think of 9 people that you don't typically think of giving a gift to. You do your spouse and your kids and, people like that. But there are so many people in our lives that would just be thrilled to have a little something that says that you thought of them this year. What a great little kit. So if you liked this video, please hit the like button. Leave me a comment. I will respond to you. I love getting comments and responding back. If you like this content and you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and click that little bell so you can get notified when more videos come out, when I post more videos. And if you know someone who might like this video, please share it with them. With the Paper Pumpkin subscription, it is a monthly subscription, and you get a new one every month, and every month it's a different theme. So they're super, super fun. It's like Christmas every month. You get this box, you get to open it up, and oh, how cute. And sometimes they're cards and sometimes they're kits. So if you're interested in subscribing to the Paper Pumpkin, I will put the link below for you. All right, have a great day. Hope to see you soon.